you from one of my most favorite human hair wig makers, and that's Unice Hair. It's no secret. I know factually I have more Unice wigs than any other company because they are just that dope. All I've done was take it out of the shipping packaging because I like to do everything on camera with y'all. So of course it comes, y'all hear Tito? It comes in this beautiful pink box. Let's open it up because I cannot remember what I ordered. Ooh, I see color. And the box, of course, they included the extra seat. Tito, y'all. This is stuff that I actually will use. Sometimes people throw in like a bracelet, a necklace, and they go straight in the trash, right? Give me stuff that I can use. We have a pack of HD wig caps. We have an edge brush with a replacement head, and we have an edge band, okay? All right, so the wig that I got, y'all, this black cherry color just has had me in a chokehold, okay? It's a 7x5 Bye Knots wig. It's 22 inches long, and it's a loose wave, and I already, spoiled the surprise. Y'all, look at that color. Look at that color, how pretty it is. Okay, let's take it out of this netting so we can look at the color and the cap construction up close, you guys. This color is just something about it, y'all. This color is so pretty to me. And I think that is flattering on tons of skin tones, whether you are lighter than me, darker than me, that color is just so beautiful. Unice gave us this color on a pre-curled wig with bangs. Like, it doesn't get any better than this, y'all. This is why they are my favorite. Okay, so let's look at this cap construction. You get that 7x5 parting space up there. You get the slots for the glueless band, which they have included. You get a comb in the back, some adjustable straps, and my new favorite, this drawstring that makes the wig fit so flush to your head, okay? That's gonna look so nice. Y'all know it's always three things that I'm looking for. Affordability. Y'all know Unice, in my opinion, is one of the most affordable human hair wig companies out there right now. I'm looking for beginner friendliness. I mean, the wig comes to me pre-plucked, pre-curled. It doesn't get any easier than that. And I'm looking for quality. I've had 100% success rate with Unice and their quality, and I'm pretty sure that this wig will be no different. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on my head, adjust the drawstring. That's my favorite part. I love the drawstring. Give you a 360, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
Yeah, girl, you know what's up. Say what, say what, say what. Girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling. Scheming on you and your homie. The very first day of summer, all grown down in the Hummer plane. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way. You and your
final thoughts on this wig. And like always, Unice, let me level y'all up. Sorry. Unice knocked this out of the park, y'all. This one is absolutely gorgeous. I need to go see if Unice makes this in any other colors. I don't care if they make this wig in lime green. Like, I feel like I gotta have it. The layering that they did in this, the ease that they did it, the cap construction, this is just a beautiful wig. This color, this black cherry 99J looking color, I don't know why I took it all the way back. It seems like it's been so long since I've worn 99J hair, and now that these human hair wig companies have started making this black cherry 99J, I feel like I gotta have every wig made in this color. They just did a great job with this one. And the thing is, that's every wig that I get from Unice. Like, I've also filmed today, outside of this one, another wig that I filmed by Unice is a Yaki straight unit. I probably put some footage here. A Yaki straight unit by Unice. I've also done a short bob by Unice, and I have one other one to do. And that speaks to how much I love them. They just have the best quality, most affordable hair on the market, in my opinion. Another reason why I like this is, I say that all the time. Y'all know I cannot comb hair. I cannot. Okay, that's why my real hair is very short, even though I'm growing it out. And I wear wigs, so I can switch up my look with it being easy. I used to only get synthetic for that reason. But now these human hair companies have come out with pre-everything, bye-bye knots, already curled, already cut, already colored units. So now I can get the ease of synthetic in a human hair wig, and Unice is leading the game on that. If you look in the description box, I'm gonna put a direct link to this exact wig, but y'all, I promise you, I encourage you to look around on their site, on their page, because I promise they have something that you'll like. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.